LGBT t-shirts is a great way to show your support for your community and to get other people involved in supporting a cause near to your heart. Pride is a perfect moment to scream loud and proud that the gay community isn't going anywhere. With many designs to choose from, these design templates were created with important symbols in mind. Type Placeit.net and welcome to the paradise of mockups. Here you can find lovely logos, cool mockups, Facebook posts, Instagram stories maker, and even a Pride Parade t-shirt maker. Select yours and start creating. I am going to do mine with this t-shirt design maker. This one is one of my very favorites because you can choose your own character and type a strong message, which I'll be typing right now. After that, you can choose the type font of each phrase and also the color too. The only thing that you need to do is click here. On the right side, change the color of your background by clicking here. And now it's time to select your character, which can be an avatar of yourself, your alter ego, or maybe just the image of what you're supporting. I say girls can love girls and men can love men, and that is proudly. So I am selecting these two boys in love. Cute, huh? And that's it. If you don't know where to begin, scroll down and try to press it. Once you're done, click the download button to get it as a single purchase, or hey, get a limited subscription for only $29 a month. This means all the mockups that you wish for only $29 a month. Now, what about putting this into a mug, a phone case, a t-shirt, or a hoodie? Sounds good, right? Well, being part of a pride is more than just being part of the celebration. It's a standing up for what you believe in. And showing your support to your community and making a t-shirt is a small but meaningful way to make your voice heard. Don't exclude yourself from this celebration. You can visit our blog. We have more features there, like a calendar of the gay parades of 2019. The link is down here in the description box. Also, you will find the mockups that I used in this video. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button.